Naked Forex Trading. We're going to talk about naked random trading today. And here's why this is important. One of the things that I learned, so you may or may not know that I enjoy surfing. That's why I moved to Australia. Part of the reason why trading is also another reason. It's a good time zone. One of the things that I learned growing up is like it's this real machismo thing to go surfing in big waves. And all of my friends are like, oh, come on, let's just go, blah, blah, blah. It's sort of like if you don't go out and surf the big waves, you're not like a real surfer man or whatever. And what you find out really quickly about surfing is that the key to surviving bigger waves is you got to relax. So when the wave comes and sends you down and ragdolls you around, you must relax into it. And that's exactly what trading is like. That's exactly why some traders are able to trade over decades. And by the way, if you like this stuff, you can click the link below or above and get in the Small Account Big Profits course. And I'm going to share with you a random trading strategy and how by relaxing into it and allowing yourself to lose, you actually make more moolah. So let me share with you what this looks like. Actually, let me share the screen here. And we are good to go. Here we go. You should see my Forex tester here. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to delete myself so you see only this screen. Okay, so here's the Aussie 4-hour chart, and this is the Euro 8-hour chart. Now, what I'm going to do, and I encourage you to do this yourself, like anything, when I show you something, I think you should really convince yourself. Never take what another trader tells you as gospel. You're much better off getting the data for yourself. So what I'm going to do is, actually, you guys can tell me when to stop if you want. I've just advanced the chart randomly. And what I'm going to do, I've just stopped it now. Okay, so the question is, should I buy or sell the Aussie? Actually, I'm going to flip over to the Euro because I haven't been watching the Euro. And now I'm going to go ahead and sell. Sell right here. I'll put my stop loss up here. So that's 49 pips if my math is correct. And so I'm going to go for 200 pips, which is 4R on this one. Hang on. That's 20 pips. 200. There we are. That's more like it down there. Okay. So I'm going to sell. It's really cool if you actually do this with real money. But if you're unable to do it with real money, you can do it in Forex Tester like I'm doing. Okay, that was a loser. Now I'm just going to randomly advance the charts, heads or tails, buy or sell. We'll sell here on the Aussie. So I will sell, put my stop loss. This is the 4-hour, right? Yeah, this is a 4-hour. Put my stop loss 40 pips away. We'll go for 160, which again is 4. I'm just keeping the target the same. And then let's see what happens here. Where is my target? Did I not put my target in? I think I didn't. Here. Let me, yeah, I didn't. Okay. So I'll just put my target 160 pips away. Cool. That should do it. Yeah. Okay, cool. Opt out again. Okay, random. I'm going to buy here. I'll put my buy stop above this candle. So I'm not going to get in at market this time. I'll put 120 pips there. So what is 120 pips times 4? It's 480. We'll just go 490. Make it a bit interesting. That's 49. There we are. Boom. Okay, it didn't actually trigger my order. Okay, I'll move my order down here. We'll do it again. We'll do it off this candle. Okay, I'm in and I'm out. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. Buy or sell. I'm going to buy. So I'll buy right here. Buy stop above the high. That's 36 pips, which is 160. Oh, wait, hang on. Put my buy order right here. Put my stop loss down here. We'll call it 100 pips, so it's going to be a 400 pip target here, right? Now, what's happening here is I'm losing a lot, and it's going to be super frustrating. It's going to be difficult for many. There's another loss for a lot of traders to handle this. So the question is, why? Why is it hard for me to handle it? Because what kind of win rate do I have to have if I'm trading 4-to-1? Does anybody know? What sort of win rate do I need to have to trade a 4-to-1 strategy and make money? 4-to-1 means I can lose 80% of the time and win 20% of the time and break even. If I'm anything above 20% win rate, I make money. So that's number one important thing. And then this is going to be a 200 pip target on this one. I think we've had all losers, right? I don't think we've had one winner yet. And I'm going to switch over to the euro now. And so what you do here is you take all these random trades like this, keeping a pretty aggressive, like you could use 10-to-1 or 5, but it just takes longer to get in the black. Okay, so where's my stop loss here? My stop loss is 62 pips away. So that's 250, we'll call it. 250 pips target. Let's go. Hey, I wonder if this one's gonna, oh, come on. Oh, it's so close. It was right there. Oh yeah, do it. All right, cool. We got one. So I don't know how many that's been. Let's see here. We've had of all the losers, we've had I think the first one was we've had several, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 losers, I'm not sure, and one winner. And remember, over say 10 trades, if we did this for 10 trades, I'd only need to have 2 or 3 winners out of 10, 5 winners out of 20, or 9 winners out of 40, or whatever it is. You don't need to have that many to make it work. And that's the great thing about trading, is that you can actually, if you've trained yourself to be okay with losing, you can actually lose quite a bit and make it work. The key, of course, is to relax into the trading, relax into the trades, and you have to be okay with the low win rate. How do you get around having yourself stopped out so much? Well, this is exactly what I was talking about. What you have to do is look at the long game. So instead of looking at the last 3 trades, you look at the last 30. Instead of looking at the last 10 trades, you look at the last 50. And you have to look at the parameters. Am I within what would be considered normal? If I know that let's say that system I was trading, the random one, has a 22% win rate. So it's 2% above break even. Well, the question is, if I've taken 100 trades and I only have 19 winners, is that within the range of respectability? Is that still likely that I'm going to be okay? Even though I was expected to have 22 winners out of 100, I only had 19. Or same thing, I take 100 trades and I go, well, I've only had 7. I should have 22. Is something wrong here? That's the way to look at this. You look at it in terms of big chunks of data. That's the critical thing here. So I'm not saying that the best trading strategy to use is to use a random entry one. I'm saying it can make money. And I'm saying it can make money if you use a very aggressive target, like we were using there, the 4R target. So test this for yourself. Don't take my word for it. If you want more on high aggressive style of trading, you can click the link below or above and get more information about the Small Accounts Big Profits course. I wish you happy trading, and I hope that this helps. Remember, it's all in the head. Getting around this idea of having to win is all in the head. It's psychology. We talk about the 3 things: systems, risk rules, psychology. This is psychology. Learning how to lose while trading really aggressive strategies is all in the head. I hope this helps. See you soon.